Welcome back to Chandra's Edu. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that will help you supercharge your studying abilities. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 study tips that can boost your productivity and retention. So, whether you're a student preparing for exams or someone looking to enhance your learning skills, these tips will surely come in handy. Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Creating a study schedule. Our first tip is all about creating a study schedule. Establishing a routine can help you stay organized and dedicated to your studies. Set specific study times that work best for you and stick to them. This consistency will train your brain to be in a focused and productive state during those designated study hours. Tip 2. Find your ideal study environment. Next up is finding your ideal study environment. Some people prefer complete silence, while others work better with a bit of background noise. Experiment with different settings to discover where you feel most comfortable and productive. It could be a quiet library, a cozy corner in your home, or even a local cafe. Tip 3. Take regular breaks. Taking regular breaks is essential for maintaining your focus and preventing burnout. Research suggests that the Pomodoro technique is effective for many individuals. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 3 or 4 times, and after completing a few cycles, take a more extended break. It's a simple yet powerful way to stay refreshed and engaged. Tip 4. Utilize active learning techniques. Active learning techniques are proven to enhance comprehension and retention. Instead of passively reading your textbooks, try engaging in activities like summarizing information in your own words, teaching concepts to someone else, or creating flashcards for quick review. These techniques actively involve you in the learning process, making it more effective. Tip 5. Find your learning style. Everyone has a preferred learning style, whether it's visual, auditory, or kinesthetic. Understanding your learning style can optimize your study methods. If you're a visual learner, try using diagrams, charts, and visual aids. Auditory learners may benefit from recording and listening to lectures, while kinesthetic learners can engage in hands-on activities to reinforce their understanding. Tip 6. Practice retrieval techniques. Retrieval techniques involve recalling information from memory, which strengthens your long-term retention. Instead of simply rereading your notes, challenge yourself by taking practice quizzes, testing your recall of key concepts. This process helps solidify your understanding and prepares you for exams or assessments. Tip 7. Break down complex topics. Sometimes, complex subjects can feel overwhelming. The key is to break them down into smaller, more manageable parts. Start by identifying the main ideas, and then gradually delve into the details. This approach allows you to grasp complex topics step by step, leading to a deeper understanding. Tip 8. Utilize technology and online resources. In today's digital age, there are numerous technological tools and online resources available to aid your studies. From note-taking apps and productivity tools to educational websites and online courses, leverage these resources to enhance your learning experience. Remember, technology can be a powerful ally when used effectively. Tip 9. Stay organized with effective note-taking. Taking effective notes is crucial for retaining information. Develop a note-taking system that works best for you, whether it's the Cornell method, mind mapping, or bullet points. Organize your notes in a logical manner, highlight key points, and create summaries for quick review. These practices will make studying more efficient and help you grasp important concepts. Tip 10. Get ample rest and sleep. Last but certainly not least, prioritize your sleep and rest. Your brain needs time to process and consolidate the information you've studied. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. By giving your brain the rest it needs, you'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle your studies with improved focus and productivity. Incorporate these strategies into your study routine, and you'll see a significant difference in your learning outcomes. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Chandra's Edu for more educational content. Thanks for watching.